Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the pre-market report from Stock Market Guideline. Today is Friday, the last day of the week, and usually Friday's movement may be different from the last 4 days movement. So let us see what happened today, and let us look what happened yesterday. Yesterday market opened with a gap up and touched a high of 16,070 level in the first 45 minutes of trading. But after that we saw a gradual selling pull down Nifty to a low of 15,938. But again market recovered and touched 16,000 by noon. But selling pulled down Nifty again to a low of 15,860 level. That was the low of the day. But last 1 hour we saw a rally of around 90 points in Nifty and touched a high of 15,952 level before closing at 15,938, a net loss of 28 points. FIIs were net buyers yesterday to a small quantum of 309 crores, whereas domestic institutions were net sellers for 556 crores. Yesterday night, US market opened with a very negatively, and but over the period of time recovered partially and closed. Dow Jones closed by 142 points lower, that is around 0.5% lower, and the S&P closed by 0.3% lower, whereas Nasdaq is closed almost flat. European markets also were weak yesterday. FTSE and DAX are weak by more than 1.5%, whereas CSE was closed down by 1.4%. Today morning in Asian market we can see a mixed trend, whereas Nikkei is up by 0.5%, whereas Hang Seng is down by 0.5%. Kospi and Shanghai and Taiwan are trading flat. And coming to the SGX Nifty indicates a gap up opening of around 50 points in our market. And coming to the trend of our market, we can see that the market was moving within a range of 16,250 and 15,850 range for the last 4 days of the current week. And major reason for the selling pressure in our market is the global clues, especially US inflation, higher rate, etc. So today we can expect a small bounce back in our market. Either today or tomorrow we can expect a bounce back in our market. And the range for today will be expected 15,850 to 16,250. And if Nifty breaks the level of 15,800 on the lower side, 15,750 can consider as a support. On the higher side, if Nifty breaks 16,250 on the higher side, you can expect 16,400 as the next level. So today market may move within this range, that is what we expect, but there is a positive clue is there in our market. That's what we expect. Coming to the major news, Indian trade deficit rose to $26.1 billion in June compared with $23.3 billion in May. So that is a major increase, whereas government's initial estimates were only $25.6 billion, whereas this is a higher deficit that we can saw in the June month. And coming to the results for today. Jindal Steel and Power, Federal Bank, Aditya Birla Money, Kesoram Industries, etc. are coming out with their quarterly results today. And the Brent crude is trading around $100.5 per barrel, whereas NYMEX is around $97 per barrel today morning. And India VIX was down by 1% to 18.34. And coming to the other news, Tata Steel is coming out with a stock split, that is 10 rupee face value to 1 rupee face value, and the record date will be 29th of July. So that's all for today. Wish you all a very happy trading day. Thank you.